How to fix iOS 18 stock on update requested. If your update request has been stalked, then this video is for you to solve it. To solve this issue, first of all, you have to force restart your device. To force restart, simply press the volume up button, then volume down button, and keep pressing the side button until you see Apple logo. When the Apple logo appears, then release the side button and then your phone will be restarted. Once it has been forced restarted, open your control center from the top and make sure that your internet connection is good. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. If it is not, then you have to switch to another Wi-Fi or another router. Once you do that, go through the settings, tap on the general, there you see iPhone storage, go through it and make sure that you have enough storage to download or install iOS 18. Once you check all of this, the very next step you need to do is simply hit on the software update and tap on update now. After all of this, you have successfully fixed your iOS 18 stock on updated request issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.